was talking.
You were telling me earlier that you want to see the white baby.
The white baby.
White baby.
Because I like them.
Why?
I like them because the white ones are very good.
They're very good?
Yes.
How come?
Because they help people.
Really? You think so? Yeah? How have white people helped you?
Help me.
Yeah.
They help me like things I can know around us.
They do? What do you know that they do? Do you know
They
any?
do for me.
Yeah.
What they do for me,
Yeah.
they can teach us.
What have the white man taught you?
Taught me.
Yeah.
They taught me. They draw for us. We know the animals, the fruits, the roots of trees.
So what do you think that the white man teaches other people besides the kids?
Beside the kids.
Yeah.
Or men's.
Yeah.
Men's they teach about to know about to make things.
Okay.
That one is one I know. They can make the blackboard. This one like the
Yeah.
picture from there. They can make, and us, the white men, teach us anything that they can teach us to know. Because some people like us, the many of us don't know things in around us, so it teaches us to know.
But you know what? You know so many things I don't know.
I know things and you know
I don't know them.
me.
Yes, you.
You are the one who know, but me I don't know.
No. I have never taken a goat to get water.
Why?
You just taught me how to do that. I did not know.
You don't know.
No.
Me I know.
You know. You're so smart.
But where did you don't know? You can come and teach you, whether my brother, whether my mother.
I know. I need to learn. There's so many things that you teach us.
What is that you can call people?
What?
You can call people know things.
Yeah. You know things that we don't know, and we know things that you don't know.
Yes, we are the same. Whether I don't know, me I don't know.
We're the
Whether
same.
you know, I don't know. And whether I know, you don't know.
Yeah.
So they are the same.